In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tradovate to Tradingview. This lets you trade directly on charts using your Tradovate account. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account with your email or Google login. Next, head to the product section at the top and click on Supercharts to launch the main charting interface. Then, at the bottom of the chart, click the Trading panel to reveal the list of available brokers. After that, click on All Brokers to see the full list of integrations. Scroll down until you find Tradovate, then click it to begin linking your account. Finally, enter your Tradovate login credentials, then click Connect to complete the integration. Bonus tip: make sure your Tradovate account has live trading permissions enabled. Otherwise, you might not be able to place trades. And that's how to link Tradovate to TradingView. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy walkthroughs. See you next time!